Now, before continuing, I'm going to introduce a couple of technical terms, but they're really easy ones. They are up and down. So far, I've been talking about moving your hand to the right or to the left, but musicians would talk about moving your hand up or down the keyboard. So right is up and left is down on a keyboard. That means that if I play these 5 notes, I'm moving up the keyboard, and if I play these 5, I'm moving down the keyboard because I'm moving to the left. And in fact, you might have already heard this term. If you think of the hardest notes to sing in a melody, they're always the high notes. For instance, in Danny Boy, well, this note is the one that's really hard to hit. That's the highest note of the tune, and that is the one that's furthest to the right on the keyboard. So right is up and left is down on a keyboard.